What is going on, my people? You know who it is. It's the one, the only, never duplicated Solano of Peru. To my new subscribers, welcome to that S to the O fam. Thank you guys so much for joining me and subscribing. Now, if you happen to be new to this channel and you like fragrance related content, please hit that subscribe button. I would gladly appreciate it. It's free, it costs nothing, and you will learn what's hot, what's not, and get my point of views on fragrances. Now, if you don't, it's okay. Just hit that thumbs up button. I will gladly appreciate it. And it will show YouTube that you like this type of content. I know you guys know what fragrance I'm talking about by the thumbnail. And I'm going to be talking about Bleu de Chanel L'Exclusif, which I don't know why they're coming out with another flanger. I'm pretty sure that's what's going to be the new wave, L'Exclusifs. Now that Perfume de Marley doing it, now they're deciding to do it. Now, I don't have a bottle. I went to the mall today and tried it out twice. The first time I went in the morning, I was there by myself, just walking around. I asked them for a sample or a decant, and they said no, they don't have none, which I think is completely BS. I know, in my opinion, I do think they should give out samples to people of fragrances just so they could just try them out and work on their skin, because I'm sure they'll be back to buy it if you get a sample, especially to that same customer service representative. That's what Nordstrom does. They give you samples. They're like, we don't mind giving out samples because we know the people aren't going to be back. And that's true. If you give people samples or let them try out the fragrances with a little tester, little atomizer, whatever you want to give them, a 5 ml, whatever, they'll be back and they'll feel more obligated to come back to that person or to come back to that store and give them business. But then again, what do I know? Anyway, so let's get on with the review. So I went twice, like I said, in the morning and in the afternoon. This fragrance, we'll get to the last. So what you get in the opening, you get this nice soapy, spicy lavender fragrance right there. Everything that the Bleu de Chanel has, the DNA comes off with the opening. Now, the only difference to me that you get this nice sweetness of the amber that is given to me, that is given those Azar Wanted by Night and Jean Paul Gaultier Elixir vibes in the opening. Is giving you that type of DNA of that sweetness with that ambery feeling that is feeling right there to me, trying to make it more modern and make it trying to make more mass appealing. But to me, Bleu de Chanel was already mass appealing what it was. They didn't really need to tweak it or add amber to it. None of those things. It's not really different. It only gets like 4 notes. It gives you amber, woody notes, labdanum, and it gives you, I forgot the other one. And the last note that I just had to check was giving you sandalwood. It says woody notes, but it could be anything from, I'm guessing they're trying to put like oud, introduce oud, because I do see oud being like the new wave now, but not that skanky oud, that modern introduction of oud. To me, it's nothing the reinvention of the wheel. This is again my series that I started not too long ago, Hot or Not, and to me it's really nothing new. So to me it's a pass. But if you're a fan of Chanel Bleu, then this is definitely the fragrance for you to check out. If you want to collect them and get this one, try it out. You be the judge. To me, I don't see anything new. I don't see that they did something different. Maybe just add the ambery and the woody notes to give it like different type of vibe. I still get the same DNA, like I said. It's just like differently. Just with that amber, giving it more like a modern twist and making it more mass appealing than what it was, which I don't think personally they needed to tweak it, because to me, I don't find anything different. I'm sure other fragrance reviewers are going to find something different, detect this, detect that, but me, I'm just keeping it simple and just being like, it's nothing different. They just added the amber and some woody notes, and that's it. Or maybe it had woody. To me, it's really nothing new. They just added the amber and added some woody notes, or at least made the amber more dominant, and just took it from there. Boom. I enjoy Bleu de Chanel, but not as I got older, because I started smelling it a lot of people. So I don't think they needed to keep on doing flanker after flanker. I think this should be the last one, and that's it. And if you want to do something different, go for it, but make it different. Don't make it like every other fragrance, and just make it like that. Because I do believe certain fragrances, especially designers, are starting to lose their creativity, and they're just taking from here, from there, from Creed, from Baccarat Rouge, from Maison Francis Kurkdjian, and all these other popular niche houses, and then making it their own. Same thing with niche houses. They're making it their own and just taking it from the designers and going from there with their take. Occasions, I do see this being worn, dressed up, dressed down. Same thing as the old ones. Very versatile fragrance. Date night is great for date night, is great for regular use, and very versatile, like I said. Seasons, I do believe you could wear it fall, winter, spring, and summer. Basically, again, very versatile, but more of the... But this is more darker, a little bit more darker than the original one. But again, it's really nothing new. Again, just really occasion, season, everything that the other ones have. This has date night, going out, casual fragrance that you want to wear, a Swiss Army knife. This one could be seasons, spring, summer, winter. But summer more or less a little bit probably on those cool nights. But it is what it is. To me, this is definitely not a go for me. It's not hot. I don't really like it because, like I said, you're gonna see a lot of people wearing it, especially when they hear that the new Bleu de Chanel's out. So you're gonna be in competition with the next guy and the next guy. If you go on a date and they just get the new Bleu de Chanel, and they're gonna be like, "Oh, you smell like your ex." So that's pretty much it. If you want to try it out, go to your local Macy's. They have it. Spray it on you, and you be the judge of that. You be your own judge. You decide if it's you or not. Don't take my word for it or any reviewer's word for it. You know, to me personally, I say wait a couple months. You don't really need it right now. Wait till your other Bleu de Chanel's run out and you go get this one. But if you're a collector and you need it now, go out and check it out for yourself, and you be the judge and let me know in the comments what you think. That is my review. Again, it's nothing new. It's just gonna be a solid fragrance. It's gonna be mass appealing. It's gonna be appeal to the mass. They're trying to make it more mass appealing, just like Jean Paul Gaultier is trying to do it right now with their elixir and just giving it that sweet amber along with Most Wanted. They're trying to give that amber and trying to make it in that type of realm, type of fragrance. But that's again my review. I will read you down in the comments. Let me know what your thoughts are. Have you tried it? Is this on your try list? Would you buy when it comes out? Let me know. And as always, wear what you want, buy what you want, and I will definitely see you next time. And if I don't, it's probably because you're not subscribed. Remember, just because it's niche doesn't mean it's always good, and just because it's honor doesn't mean it's always bad. Peace, I'm out of here. You know who it is, Dinka King of this bitch.